Hello there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in the beautiful Calgary Bay. Just look at this. Beautiful pure white sands and turquoise blue sea. The sea goes really bright blue when the sun comes out. It looks absolutely fantastic. It's a warm day. It's currently about 20 degrees when I'm in the car. I'm going to line something up for these thistles to start. There's a beautiful gate down here. There's more flowers in the rocks just a little bit farther, so I'm in for a nice day. Betsy's down on the beach with my wife somewhere. It looks like they've got parted. I can see the dog, I can't see my wife. So I'm going to go and find them. Join me shortly and I'll talk you through what I'm doing. Shot, I am lining up this beautiful bunch of thistles here. I'm going to take it as a vertical and as an horizontal, and I will just choose later which I find more appealing. I've put on the 16 to 35 because the 24mm just seems that little bit too zoomed in, so we am down to 16mm and it's looking pretty good, to be honest. I have got a polarizing filter on, which I'm trying to just brighten the sky a little bit, brighten the blues up a little bit more in the sky and maybe the water. Settings for this, I'm shooting as ISO 500 because everything is moving. F11, that's giving me 300th of a second, so hopefully these thistles should be still while I'm taking the shot. I will take another shot, probably on the cliffs, and just a simple merge together, just to get the cliffs sharp as well as these thistles right underneath the lens. So yeah, if this turns out any good, whichever one I do, horizontal or vertical, I may like them both and put the both on. Anyway, here is the shot. Tell me what you think, drop me a comment below if you like it. There are a couple of rocks here now. I'm going to have a walk over to these and see if I can line up a shot with these, and then I'll walk back to the gate down here, and the gate does look really nice, leading you through the path and onto the beach and to the sea. There is a lovely little story there with it, so I do like it here. It's absolutely fantastic. I've left the drone in the car, which I wish I'd have bought now. So would have been quite nice with the drone up as well. But yeah, this it's not rocks, it's just where the sand dunes have just washed away a little bit. It looks like a rock, but it's not. So I'll try and line something up with this little feature. And looking out, it looks quite nice. I'll just turn you around in a second. So, I thought this was a rock from over there, but it is just the way the dunes just washed down a little bit. So I'm going to try and set something up with this now and see what we can get. It does look quite nice, might be a nice foreground feature. So, yep, let's drop the camera down. And I'm going to spend probably 10 minutes now just walking around this, different angles. It does look nice from here, the way that curls round, maybe pointing out. I'll show you down here. Little aircraft there, the way it just bends round. If I get the angle right, it may look like it's just leading out to the sea, which would be pleasing to the eye. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's have a look, see what we can catch. Well, I've been walking around this literally 20 minutes now, and I cannot The shot I wanted, what I looked at first, isn't there. The camera is just picking up the white of the sand, so that one's out the window. I have just took a shot with this and the bay because it just looks so beautiful. Pretty normal shot, just a snapshot really. I think I'm now going to have a walk over to the gate and try to get a shot with a path leading through the gate to the sand and out to sea, just to tell that story of, you know, leading your eye straight the way through. A little tip with gates is it is more appealing and pleasing if the gate is left open. It draws the eye through and into the scene. So anytime you have got a gate, sometimes, I mean, there's gates over like Kimber Edge where I take Betsy that look fantastic closed, but it is a shot of the gate. Places like this, try to lead the viewer's eye through the gate and off into the distance, into the background, and eventually to the sea. Fantastic. So I don't know where my wife and my dog are. I can't see them anywhere, so Betsy's probably having fun, gone off somewhere, probably in the sea, swimming somewhere there is, and my wife's probably chasing her, so I'm probably going to be in trouble for Betsy running off in a minute. Join me down at the gate and we'll try and get that shot. It does look beautiful, this gate does. And here we have the gate. I absolutely love this scene. It looks absolutely fantastic. The grasses have been trampled. I was hoping that those were going to be coming more over the path, but they have been trampled down now. It's not as windy here as it is on top of the bank, so I may drop the ISO just to get me a lower ISO. I'm trying to work out whether to shoot from the left hand side of the path or the right. I've just took a shot from the right hand side so I can see the path to the left, but I might also shoot it from the other side leading down. Can't make my mind up which looks more appealing to me. So another little tip for you with scenes like this that are just so pretty: take your time, shoot all different angles, and also shoot vertical and horizontal photos. While you're here, get as many shots as you can of the same scene. Seems pointless taking loads and loads of images of one scene, but there will be one that stands out more than all the rest, and that's the one you're going to use. So yeah, I'm going to now turn the camera as a vertical from here, then move over to the left. I'll put this photo on for you right now just so you can have a look at it. It'll be the one that I like the best. Or should I put one on from the left and one for the right? I think I'll do that. I'll put one of each on for you. So the path's coming in from the left and the other side, the path will be coming in from the right. Again, you drop me a comment which one you think is the best. The one I like the best will be on first. So take a look and enjoy. Time to go and find Betsy now, my wife. I have just seen Betsy in the sea. The wife's nowhere to be seen, so I don't know where she is. I think Betsy's playing her up. Good dog, Betsy. I'm done here with this gate. It looks absolutely fantastic. I've took probably 20-25 shots here, and my two favourites, as you've just seen, I've put on there, and I do like it. It's such a pretty little scene. So the polarizer is just helping the sky just to brighten it up a little bit. It is quite pale blue, whereas with the polarizer you can just darken it slightly. Just more appealing. I might try a shot looking back through the gate this way. Don't know if it's going to work with these dunes behind. You're not going to see much in the sky, so I'll probably just leave the sky out and just get the sand dunes through the gate. If it is any good, I'll put it on at the end. Don't hold any breath. Please check out the links below in the description. Like, subscribe. We'll do it all again next week. Until next time. So I'm just looking to see if I can see Betsy still. I've got it, it's in the sea down there. Until next time, take it easy. Here are all the photographs. Enjoy, and I'm going to enjoy this beautiful scenery. Looks fantastic.